Hi, in this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to search for and apply to on-campus jobs as a student worker. So when you come to the main JCC page, you're going to want to go up to My JCC and then click on Handshake. Now you all already have a Handshake account because you are a student at Jamestown Community College. So all you need to do is enter your student email address and your password, and you'll be able to get logged in. If you have not activated your account yet, you will be able to do that on this screen. But once you get signed in, this is kind of the main dashboard if you're signing in from a computer. Now there's also a mobile app, so you're welcome to download the app. It's very user-friendly as well. But from the computer, you'll go to Jobs. And then up here where it says All Filters, you'll hit the filters and you're going to select On Campus. Now, if you know that you are work study eligible, you also can select this work study eligible button here. If you don't know, that's okay. You can leave it blank and you can just select On Campus. But this will bring up all of the jobs that are only available to our students to work on campus, either as a federal work study or as a student assistant. So you can see we have this one position here, the career closet assistant. If you click on this, it's going to bring up the whole job description for you. It'll tell you right here how much it'll be paying, when you can apply, when the deadline is. You can save it to your favorite jobs. And if it was active, you would be able to apply. You can see this job is not open until August 1st, but come that time, this button would be able to be clicked on. So you come down here, you'll see the job description, and you can see if that is a match for you and something you are interested in. And if it is, you'll simply apply there. And then the office on campus who is hiring for the role, in this case, it's the Career Services office. That office will get a notification that you have applied and you have submitted your resume for this position, and then they can go from there. If the office is interested in interviewing you, they will reach out to you to set up an interview and take the process from there.